Chandra Sanaf, working as a lecturer in Siagat College of Engineering, Konwa campus. This time I am teaching a subject that is digital electronics and logic design. So within that we have 6 units. Out of that, unit 1 is related to number systems and codes. Within that we have to include what is number system, different types of conversion related to number system, sign magnitude representations, and there are different codes related to the number system. This is our lecture 1, and within that the content of your lecture 1 is like this: what is digital system, types of signals, types of systems, number systems. So first question that comes in our mind, why digital electronics and logic design is introduced in computer branch? Because we are the computer people, so why is the need of the digital electronics subject? So because computer only understand the language that is in the form of bits, either 0 and 1. For a real life we use a decimal number system, but computer doesn't understand the decimal numbers. So whenever we have to do the work that is related to computer, we needs to study the digits that is in the form of binary numbers. So introduction to digital electronics and logic design. The word digital comes from the same source as the word digit and digitus, the Latin word for fingers. As fingers are used for a discrete count, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, we can count the numbers by using the figures. Then second question comes in the mind, why the digital system? Because computer can understand only one language, that is ones and a zero. The general purpose of digital computer is the best example is digital system. For example, digital telephones, computers, switching exchange, digital display, calculators, video games, any home appliance, digital control system, electronic toys, we use the digital system. Digital system is a represented and processed in the discrete form rather than the continuous form. What is continuous form? Whatever we have a transmission that is in the form of continuous signal. Right now we have to discuss the digital data, means in the form of ones and zero. First of all, we have to think about the what is signal and what is analog signal and digital signal. Analog signals, these are the signals which can have infinite number of different values, means they are vary continuously with the times. As per the time it will be changed. For example, triangular wave, sine wave, etc. Information on traditional audio cassette tapes is recorded as a continuous analog forms. For example, this is you have given a one waveform. This is a type of analog signal because this is related to time, and this is your sine wave. Next is digital signals. What is that? These are the signals which having the finite number of distinct values. Means what? Whatever we have a data that is either in the form of zeros and ones. They are discrete in nature. Means this is not related to the time constraint. For example, binary signals. Binary means nothing but what? We have a two state, either 1 and 0. Or we can say it's a true or false or on or off. Means what? Bit we can represent either 1 or a 2. Same 1 we can also call as a on state or a true state. 0 we can call as a off state or a false state. 1 bit is a single value, either on or off. This is the best example, it's a binary signal. Whenever we have a 0, we means there is a ground state. Whenever we have to represent a 1 bit value, is shown like this. And what is analog system? Right now we know what is digital signal, what is analog signal. Those signals that are related to analog, that is the form of analog system. Best definition is the system which process analog signals are called the analog system. The simple way to transmit the switch, because whatever we have a telephone conversion, it is the same example of analog system. Means simply what we say, the system that includes analog signal is nothing but your analog system. What about digital system? Just think, the signals, digital signals related to the system, that is nothing but your digital system. So definition is, the system which process digital signals are called a digital system. For example, your flip-flop, registers, counter, all these are the example of digital system. This is the very familiar topic to you, that is a number system. What is number system? In a real life, we use the decimal value. What is that? Means we have the base 10. So it's a formal think about the number system is what? It is a way of counting things and also way of identifying the quality of something. Means what? Whenever we have to think about the counting, that is related to a number system. Usually use the decimal number system. Details. Just take the general idea about the number system. In any number system, collection of digits makes the number which has two parts. One is integer and second is a fractional, separated by the base or a radix. So representation is like this. Whatever we have integer part and fractional part, we can separate that by the base. Dot is denoted for the base. From right to left, it is your integer part, and from left to right, this is your fractional part. Means suppose for example 335.15 and base is denoted by the 10 because it's a decimal number. So 335 is your integer part and 15 is a fractional part, and dot is denoted for a base or a radix. For a number system, we have a very simple and smart example. Just assume as computer is your person. So imagine that computer is a one person and is having the one hand. So one hand, one finger. So it will be count 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right now assume that computer is a person having the two hands. But remember, not the 5 fingers, it's a only one finger. So it having the value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So like this we get the 4 state 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Right now we assume computer has multiple hands. Means as per the hands your bits are increasing. It's a 8-bit computer, means computer has 8 hands, one finger for each hand. So it will nothing but your octal number. 16-bit computer with the 16 hands.